Do you wanna have these fantastic watermark effects so no one will steal again your edits? Well, you are in the right place, so let's jump into the video. So we imported all the clips we needed, so this is the final edit. We just have to add the watermark, obviously. So we're gonna click on the text, click somewhere on the screen, type Minghe, for example, for my name. The text I'm using is Ravy. These are my basically text settings. So we're gonna align that to the center of the screen. We're gonna press P on our keyboard and put it here, 1200. We're gonna also press S on our keyboard. We're gonna type 70 here. So we have a little very nice watermark here. So now we're gonna apply some effects. We're gonna go into effects and presets. We are gonna search for drop shadow. So we're gonna drag this here to drop shadow. We're gonna put this all the way to 100%, then distance to 10 and softness to 30. Perfect. Then we're gonna add also a deep glow. Gonna add to the top of the drop shadow, and for this we're gonna raise down a lot the radius, in particular the exposure. We're gonna set this to around 0.30, and we should be ready to go. Now the only thing is to click here and click overlay, and now we have this fantastic amazing watermark very cleanly on our amazing edit. For the next watermark is a lot different. We're gonna click on our main video, we're gonna click Ctrl D to duplicate this, then we're gonna search in the effects for flip plus flop. We're gonna drag this in, and we're gonna press Ctrl Shift and C, move all attributes into the new composition, click OK, and then we're gonna drag these things something like this here, very little like this. Then we're gonna click text again, type Minghe. We're gonna align these to the center again. That's absolute perfect. We're gonna scale this down a bit as well to 70. Then what we're gonna do is to click here on the composition of this and click Minghe, which is this text. Then we are gonna press both of them, select both of them, Ctrl Shift and C again, move all attributes into the new composition, and we have this. Now the last thing, we are gonna apply the exact same effects we applied earlier, and here as you can see we have the new text. Then we're gonna drag this all the way to the same position by pressing P, and this is also the other watermark. Let me know if this video was helpful down below in the comments. If you applied these type of effects, you find also my store where I sell all my effects that I use for my edits. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, it's been a pleasure. Cheers!